Cam for Cam's Mortgage Minute. Okay, now here's the examples of the recent changes. We took a situation where somebody was looking at a house for $500,000. So $500,000, the couple's going to put 5% down. We're assuming that the property taxes are roughly $3,000 a year, and we're going to allow $100 a month for heat. In that example, the couple today would need about $78,000 of income. Now, once the new rule changes take effect, that same couple is going to need $96,000 of income to qualify for that property. That's $18,000 more in income. Now, what if that house has a suite in it? Let's assume that that suite is generating $1,000 a month. Well, now you only need $67,000 with today's rules to get into the same mortgage. However, come October 17th, you're going to need $84,000. So again, an increase of $17,000 in that scenario. So bottom line, as you can see, it's certainly going to take a big jump up in income for folks to qualify. Again, where's this income going to come from? If you don't have it yourself, it may require another person on the file with you, or it may require you looking at a less expensive property. And typically, as far as less expensive goes, when we round the numbers, you're going to need to look at something about 20% less. So in other words, you're going to have to look instead for a $400,000 home versus a $500,000 home. So are these changes going to have an impact? You betcha. What will be the long-term impact? That I can't tell you, but I believe certainly in the short term, we're going to see some adjustments in prices, we're going to see some values. The government's net effect, what they've been after for a long time of slowing down the market, they definitely will. Will it affect foreign buyers? I don't know. I don't honestly think so, because the people that can afford very expensive homes and can afford a big down payment already, they're not going to be struck by this, because bottom line, they already have the cash and they're not too worried about qualifying. So, anything you need mortgage-wise, don't hesitate. Give us a shout at the Auxilium team. We're here to help.